Hi, welcome to Oracle area of training. This is Sudhakar. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to write custom code in view object IMPL file. So for that, to write the custom code, we have to go to the Java at the employees view, and then we have to enable the view object class employees view IMPL file. Once it is enabled, we can write our custom code after the first constructor. You go here, you can write your custom code. Will filter the employees by a specific department. Call this as a department ID. The department ID for the shipping department is a 50. We'll set the where class. Okay, so we are setting the where class with department underscore ID equal to and the department ID 50, and we will execute the query now. We are executing the query. So this custom method, whatever we wrote, we need to expose it to the client interface so that we can access it from the data control. Once it is exposed as client interface, what you can see is in your data control, you can see that the employees view one has a custom method or operation filter by shipping department. So now we can drag this to the page as a button. We'll call this button ADF button, and now we'll remove the disabled property. Now let us run this page. Okay, if some weird error like this happens, all you have to do is undeploy the application and then rerun the page, which will do the fresh deployment. Okay, now the department ID, what is showing is 90. If I click the shipping department, it is showing an error message. This is because in this version of JDeveloper, that is 12.2.1.2, whenever we drag this view object level client interface methods, the binding is not created properly. So all you have to do is go back and go to the bindings and go to the binding file. In that, this is the filter by shipping department. Here what you have to do is you have to change the binding little bit. So you call this as data dot and provide the data control name, which is custom am data control. This is the instance it has to use. So once you change this and go back to the page and rerun the page, now you see the 90 is there. Let me filter. Now you see it has filtered by the department 50. If I click next, all the employees in the department 50, which is nothing but the shipping department, is showing up here because of this a custom method whatever we have wrote and exposed as a client interface method. Then we dragged and drop to this page, and there was problem with the binding, the default binding created by ADF. So we have changed that to data.custom am data control dot the employee instance. That's a view instance which we have added. Thanks for watching this video. We'll catch up in the next session.